Okay, here we go with Memory Session 5. I'm just showing you the quiz so you guys can stop the video, take pictures of the screen, whatever you need to do, and then use this to go into the chapter in your free downloaded textbook and look for these specific answers. When I give you the quiz, I always ask you, are you ready to be brilliant? And let's hope you are. Okay, what is another name for short-term memory? Take a picture, pause the video, whatever you need to do. Take notes, your choice. The storage capacity of long-term memory is? I bet you know the answer to that one already. 3 functions of memory are? The physical trace of memory is known as the? What is when our recollections of the past are done in a self-enhancing manner? Tiffany is embarrassed because she cannot recall a friend's name. She's experiencing a problem with? Rehearsal is the conscious repetition of information. It is part of? We already answered this during the lecture. End of slideshow. We are going to exit. Shortest video you've ever had to listen to. Okay, that's the content on memory, and you notice it expands this week and next week. So you have plenty of time to learn all of this and focus on doing your paper. Okay, talk to you next time.